I'm Dennis Hopper. I'm a 30-plus year veteran in the automotive electronics industry. I've had a love for cars ever since I got in this industry, and that's what's driven me to produce the devices that we're going to be showing here today. VACE technology started in 2004 with multimedia integration, then satellite radio, and now the new SEER. SEER is an acronym for Smart Entry Exit Recognition. And in a nutshell, what that means is we want to recognize the owner of the vehicle as they're approaching or exiting the vehicle. And we want to be able to trigger certain things, like we want to do door locks, unlocking when they walk up to the vehicle. We want it to lock when they leave. If you're in a dark parking lot, we want the lights to come on so you can see around your vehicle. You know, you can do so many different things with SEER. It's so smart. You could do ignition controlled door locks on an older classic vehicle to get it to new world standards. You can turn the cab light on your trunk. You can lock up different compartments if it's like a fleet vehicle or a first responder vehicle. There are so many things SEER can do for our customers, and that's why it's so smart. The concept of SEER was devised basically by the engineer, sales, and technical support, as well as our customers. We wanted to make sure the device we created would accommodate all of our different customer base. We think that SEER will help all of these different customers. The expediters, of course, want new technology in the new cars that they don't get in the lower trim level cars. You can use one feature or all 10 features of what SEER can do. For other industries like classic cars, they want the newer technology that you see in everyday new car in those older cars and have that convenience that SEER offers. So I'm going to show you a few features of SEER. I'm going to simulate that I'm a stranger walking up to the vehicle. And as I walk to the vehicle with the full-fledged alarm, we have warn away. If I try to get too close to the car, it's going to warn me that I need to back up. If I try to enter the car and get in it, the alarm is going to trigger and set it off, and it's going to lock the starter out to where you couldn't start the car. So I'm going to manually get it unlocked here, open it up, full flush. So now let me show you the features of SEER when I grab the tag. Once I grab it, when I walk towards the car, it's going to flash the lights and unlock the doors. Once I get in, another feature of SEER is when I turn the ignition on to start the car, the door locks are going to automatically lock. When I take the key ignition out to get out of the car, it's going to automatically unlock the car doors. And as I leave the area now, it will lock the car and put it back into the full alarm mode. The hardest part to get SEER developed was probably the customization, because we wanted every customer to have their own experience. They could design it to do what they wanted it to do. The security aspects of keeping this a secure communication between the customer and the car was probably the biggest challenges we had. Our goals for SEER are pretty specific in helping all of our customers with one device. It's such a smart device, it can be used in every application, every vehicle industry that we have identified, be it fleet or RV or classic cars or daily drivers or brand new cars that have come off the showroom floor. The SEER tag with my keys, the lights will come on as you see right now. The doors just unlocked and flash the mirrors. All doors are unlocked so you can access the vehicle. The moment we walk away, the car lights will turn off and then the doors will lock. From the moment we put this concept on the table, our team delivered it. Made it to an OEM type of product, to where once we went through the manufacturing, all the way to the delivery to our customers, it's doing exactly what we planned it to do. The team here did a phenomenal job of making an automotive OEM type product that we could deliver to our customers to give them the benefits of what SEER really does.